So today got me Q7. My missus said that the coolant light came on the dash, low coolant. I did notice it was slowly dropping down. I'm just trying to fix a few things on this car. You see, you got a wet patch. Let me see that. Yeah, a wet patch on the ground here, and I've just topped it up, and you can see. Go on, drip. There you go. It's dripping. And obviously the coolant tank is on that side, so I can have a little look, see what I can find. Right. So this is the V8 4.2 TDI. So you can see this is still warm, so I'm going to let it cool down a bit more. I just took it for a drive, so it's all dry up here. You can see, look, see it trickling down, coming from the bottom of there. Can't really see, got my phone in the way, it's too much sunlight, but it is coming out from the bottom of this coolant tank. So I'm going to try and clear some space once it cools down and then see if we can see what it is. Okay, that one's so bad. So what it did is it was at the bottom of the bracket for the coolant. There's only one fix. It. Hold on. You see that there? Little plastic with a little Torx bit screw in there. That releases the whole coolant tank. I pulled this sort of overflow push on rubber hose off because that was putting a bit of tension on here to slide it out. I took this off, whatever this is, off the bracket. What else? I unplugged that down there off the airbox and the sensor, which allowed us to sort of tilt up to see where this leak's coming from the back. Just be careful of obviously bending this bracket here because you're tight up against that, and the bottom coolant pipe. Obviously you don't want to damage that when you're looking, so just be careful, but you can just pull it out. What I've found is, look at that, can you see that? Oh god, the sun here. Well, you can see all the bubbles. So you see we have a crack in the bottom of the coolant tank here. So I found my leak, so thank god, no head gasket issues, touch wood, hopefully. Just a replacement coolant tank.